So we have seen in the 7th paragraph that overfishing is the overfishing is very common in protein hungry world. In poor countries, local forests are destroyed to obtain fuel for cooking. Tropical forests are wearing away at the rate of 40 to 50 million acres a year. The growing use of dung for burning deprives the soil of an important natural fertilizer. Over the last 4 decades, Indian forests have reached disastrous exhaustion. So, we are seeing the last 7th paragraph. It is said that what it is a which is said by the Mr. Lester R. Brown, that there are 4 principal biological systems that form the earth, the biological system that form the foundation of the global economic system, according to the book by Lester R. Brown, the Global Economics Prospect, that are fisheries, grasslands, forest and croplands. Now we have seen in the let's say this paragraph 8, that the heading is given as fast eroding tropical forest. In this it is said that forests and deserts come first in order in comparison to humans. The ancient inheritance of tropical forest is constantly wearing away at the rate of 40 to 50 million acres a year. Also, the burning of dung is preventing the soil to become natural fertilizer. To meet the need for fuel wood demand, there is no need to increase the rate of forest. There is a need to increase the rate of forest plantation by 5-fold by the year 2020. Now, that is means what now this year. So, this is given in the paragraph number 8 of the lesson, The Ailing Planet, The Green Movement's Role by Nani Palkiwala. So, we have seen in the hard words, difficult words in the page number, this paragraph 8 is patrimony means what? Inheritance. Eroding means what? Means gradually getting destroyed. Million, 10 lakh. Fertilizer, substance added soil to help plant grow. So now we are moving to the 9th paragraph, which is very small. In that it is said, James Speth, the president of the World Resource Institute, said the other day, we were saying that we are losing forest at an acre a second, but it is much closer to an acre and half to second. So that means let's see who was James Speth. James Speth Gustave Speth is an American environment lawyer and advocate, right? So here the precede means come before in. Precede means come before, in order or position. So in this it says that by James Speth, that to meet the need for fuel wood demand, there is need to increase what? The rate of forest plantation by 5-fold by the year 2020, and we are losing the forest closer to an acre and half to a second, according to James Speth, the president of the World Resource Institute. So now we are moving to the 10th paragraph of this lesson. So the heading is given as laws are never respected nor enforced in India. It is very sad that the article, the heading has given that laws are never respected nor enforced in India. So let's read the paragraph now. Article 48A of the Constitution of India provides that state shall endeavour to protect and improve the environment to safeguard forest and wildlife of the country. But what causes endless anguish is the fact that laws are never respected nor enforced in India. For instance, the Constitution says that caste systems and untouchability and bonded labor shall be abolished, but they flourish shamelessly even after 44 years of the operation of the Constitution. So, yeah, a recent report of the Parliament Estimate Committee has highlighted the near catastrophic. Catastrophic means what? Disaster. Depletion means what? Decreasing. Decreasing. So here depletion of India's forest of the last 4 decades. 4 decades means of 40 years. A decade means what? 10 years. For 40 decades, India, according to reliable data, is losing its forest at the rate of 3.7 million acres a year. Large areas officially designated as forest land are already virtually treeless. The actual loss of forest is estimated to be about 8 times the rate indicated by government statistics. So, here the word meaning endeavor means to try hard. Anguish means what? Severe pain or mental suffering. Third, catastrophic means disastrous. Depletion means decrease. Decades means periods of 10 years. Designated, officially set. Virtually, almost or very nearly. Estimated means made judgment without having exact details. So, the 10th paragraph, it explains that according to the article 48A of the Constitution of India, the state should try to protect and improve the environment and must protect the forest and wildlife of the country. But the painful fact is that laws are not followed in India. For example, casteism, untouchability and bonded labor. They are abolished but still are followed shamelessly. Over the last 4 decades, India is losing forest at a harmful rate of 3.7 million acres a year as per the report of Parliament Estimate Committee. The large area of forest is now treeless and actual loss is estimated to be 8 times the rate given by government statistics. So, we have completed in this video from the paragraph 6 to 10. Let's do the recap whatever we have done in this video. So, we have seen that in this chapter, one second, we have seen in this video that the writer raises an issue towards the deteriorating health of the earth as human beings have been exploiting the natural resources from decades. Presently, the condition has made the environment critical. In 1972, the Green Movement helped environmentalists to raise awareness about the harmful condition of the earth, and since then there has been no looking back as the movement has been successfully educating people about the conservation of the environment. Earth is like a patient whose health is declining, and it is our duty to improve it. In 1987, the term sustainable development was used by the World Commission on Environment and Development. A zoo in Lusaka, Zambia has a cage in which a sign reads, "The world's most dangerous animal," and inside there is a mirror. It gives a message that human beings are the most dangerous animals. Brand Commission raised a question. Are we to leave our successors a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished landscapes, and ailing environment? There are four principal biological systems that form the foundation of the global economic system: fisheries, grasslands, forests, and croplands. These four systems also provide food and raw materials for industries, except for minerals and synthetics. With these systems becoming unsustainable, fisheries will collapse. The forest will slowly disappear, grasslands will turn to a barren wasteland, and croplands will become worse. In poor countries, forests are being cut down for fuel wood, which is used for cooking purpose. There are some areas where the cost of fuel wood is more than the cost of food. It is leading to deforestation at an alarming rate. One of the reasons for the exploitation of the environment is the increasing population. It is observed that about 1 million population is increasing in every 4 days. This is not a good sign. So we will see in the next video, that next class we will continue this lesson. Until then, keep reading, keep practicing. Bye from me.